Welcome. My name is Dave Kaplan, Director of the Yogi Berra Museum and Learning Center, and I'd like to take you around, show you some of the cool things we have here at the museum. Well, let's start here because this is really where the first organized game of baseball was played in Hoboken, New Jersey in 1845. All these guys here who look like Abraham Lincoln were the ones who played the very first game, which was devised by a gentleman by the name of Alexander Cartwright. Came up with a scheme of a diamond, and baseball was developed. You know, we look a little bit about Yogi's early years, and here he is, 9 years old. He grew up in a St. Louis neighborhood called The Hill, just made up of Italian immigrants. There's his dad who worked in the brickyard. There's three older brothers. They played a lot of sandlot baseball back in those days because there was no little league, there was no organized leagues.
We came out here to the Yogi Berra Museum. It really brings me back to my youth. We were just in the room that had all the yogiisms, and even though they sound a little bit goofy, if you think about them, they all make an awful lot of sense. So things like it gets late early out there really makes a lot of sense.
Yogi Berra is such a big part of American culture that they named a cartoon character after him, Yogi Berra, in 1958. And to this day, he's probably the most quoted person in the country, and I don't think his popularity knows really any limits. He's really one of a kind. He's really an uncommon, common man.